Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall WordPress from your cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So log into your WordPress account, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where on the left side of the screen you can find all the sections that you have for managing your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how you can get started with deleting your website from cPanel. Basically guys, if you have connected WordPress to your cPanel hosting platform, it's going to allow you to log into cPanel.net and see all your websites. So basically guys, after you have logged into cPanel and you have opened up your website management tool, it's going to look like this. And basically guys, what you're going to do is to go ahead and access your cPanel, as you can see right here, and find your website. Once you have found your website right here, as you can see in your panel section right here, you can right click on this website that you want to install, as I'm showing you right here, and after right clicking, an option is going to appear that says delete. So you want to delete it. Basically guys, click the delete button next to your website. It's going to be easy as that, and this is going to enable you to delete the website from cPanel and disconnect it from cPanel. It will no longer be connected to your WordPress website, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.